What really is going on? Safety studies being rushed, something we've been complaining about. Now we're joined by a lot of doctors. Why would you want safety trials? What would a safety trial mean? I told you, the Informed Consent Action Network has already forced them to use a placebo using a saline injection. But we still do not like the timing. You cannot have a 3-month safety trial and know what the long-term effects are. These are the types of things we've been debating and discussing at ICanDecide.org. That's our nonprofit. We've won lawsuits on this very issue against CDC, FDA, NIH, and Health and Human Services. Why? Because our company does not trust drug makers. They lie to make money. They brought us Vioxx. They brought us OxyContin. They told us talcum powder was safe when they knew it had asbestos the whole time. Bayer now has a herbicide sprayed on 90% of our crops that's paying out billions of dollars for causing non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. So I'm sorry. I don't trust them. And so when you talk about the one product they make having no liability, this is the big issue. If you haven't seen Dr. Andy Wakefield's new film, 1986, The Act, it talks all about taking liability away from one of the most dangerous companies and industries in the world. Why would you give them a free ride when they already cut corners for safety anyway? Why would you let them off the hook? Well, we have with the PrEP Act. We have with the 1986 Act. Nobody rushing this coronavirus vaccine to market is going to be liable. Do you think they're not aware of that? Do you think they're, happy that they're covered by liability protection? Here comes the shocking statement of the week. You ready for this? You saw it here first at the Highwire. This is Globe and Mail. Astrazeneca to be exempt from coronavirus vaccine liability claims in most countries. Yeah, like we always do. Listen to what they say. This is a unique situation where we as a company simply cannot take the risk if in 4 years the vaccine is showing side effects. Rudd Dauber, a member of Astra's senior executive team. We cannot take the risk to have liability should this vaccine prove to cause long-term problems 4 years from now. You point me to the safety trial that will prove to us it will be safe 4 years from now. How do you do that in 6 months? How do you do a 6-month trial and figure out what something's going to do 4 years from now? You see, I'm not making this up when I say there are long-term issues with every vaccine. Autoimmune diseases that occur, and AstraZeneca just said you better protect us from liability because you're the idiots forcing us to do this quickly. We should have had at least a 4-year safety review, and if we can't have that, it's your problem when you all get sick or die. You can't make this stuff up, folks. If you like that clip, then be sure to check out our live broadcast of the Highwire every Thursday morning at 11 a.m. Pacific time. You can watch it on Facebook, iTunes, and Twitter. We'll see you there.